Zela is on party lines. So म्हाका कोण एक दोग जाण आपण बसता म्हूण कॅन्डिडेट म्हूण अजून डिक्लेअर जालें ना, बट ते येयले. सो आय डोंट नो एक्झॅक्टली अनलेस एंड अंटील ते डिक्लेअर केले बगर आमच्यान सांगपा जायना. आमचे दुसरे सरपंच आहाय, दुसरे कलिग्स आहाय. आमकां ZP इज नथींग टू डू विथ सरपंच, बट आय विल मेक शुअर जे बेनावलीन पड रेप्रेजेंट जातलो तो ऑन हिज ओन काम करतलो. Because what is important today is we are only suffering मरे भाडायला कितें जाता, as I said to you, आमी हुंयची रुलिंगां नाय because of our petty politics, family politics, हे राजकारण पार्टी वायज हो नाका तो नाका, बट फायनली आमगेलो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह येता तो म्हणटा कितें आपणा मेजॉरिटी मेळना, आपण पावरान आपणा करपा जाय. हांव कितें म्हणटा, तूं खबर ना तूं पावर येवपा नाय म्हणून. You know very well that you will not come to power. See now example I'm talking about Congress party. What is Congress? The two major parties are Congress and the BJP. आता आमच्या सालसेटी कितें कोताय, only they using the against the BJP. पण आपण कितें कोतलो तें सांगनाय. They are saying they are bad. Okay, they are bad. That is fine. But finally we have to work with the government of the day. सारखे बरं आमचे सांगते हाल मगेले पैसे इतले फायला आहाय, इतले मगेले काम आहाय. I have to get my work done with the government. I cannot wait for 5 years. I am in opposition. That's Zaina. So Benauli has to think beyond politics. Benauli has to think beyond party line. Benauli has to think about the future of the youth. Do not go with what is coming only on the media. असले मनीस आहाय, दिसा BJP गाडी माताय, पडला तुका कॅमेराचेर आनी रातीको वचून आपणा हे काम करताय. That is not me. My politics is very straightforward. My politics is about development. My politics is about going to the government, get the work done. This is what I believe in that. And hinga हे तरी बेनावली आमकां असलो मनीस जायो who will be open-minded. As I said to you, nothing against Kolva, nothing against Benauli, nothing against Varka or Kavilosin, but आमकां पण representation जाय आसलेले ते मेळना. Especially when it comes to good roads, better transport facilities, tourist safety, hawkers on the beach. There are many other issues. So I think these issues has to be addressed immediately, and then only we can say there is a development of the constituency.